Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Zoom for online teaching. So let's consider that I'm the teacher on that video. So I need to open up Meeting on Zoom Meetings. It's a tool that can allow you to teach and give lessons to your students in distance. So first let's go through Zoom app, Zoom Workplace. Of course, I'm signed in. You need to pass the step of signed up to Zoom or signed. It depends on if you already have an account or not. After that, you gotta do, you will go into schedule or new meeting. So the new meeting step is for the instantly meetings. So what I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting from the icon or from the top middle icon, this one, schedule. Alright, so by clicking on that icon, what you gotta do is to fill all the informations. For example, the event name and the time from to the duration. Here you can set the, if you want the meeting be repeated daily or weekly, monthly, or every weekend. And also you can add the attendees from here or invitees. And also here you can set your ID as you'd love to. If you want to your personal meeting ID be shown to everyone, you can click on that option. Or if you'd love your meeting ID be generated automatically, you can choose this one. Alright, so from here, if you choose the generate automatically the meeting ID, you will have the attachment section, so you can add the attachments from your files. Alright, so for this step, the meeting security, this is an important step. The passcode is always here, so typed automatically. So what you gotta do, you will change the password and you will check that option. This is a good option that makes only users admitted by the host can join the meeting by you. Alright, here you can enable the meeting chat or disable it. For that section, here you can able or enable the video from for the host or participants or both of them. The audio section, you will set up your audio, your computer audio or your phone audio. The calendar, you have so much options. If you have the Outlook or Google Calendar right here, and you can choose one of them, or you can choose the other calendars. For me, for the advanced settings, I'm always making this one allowed. I allow participants to join anytime, and it depends on you if you want them to join anytime or not. Right, then once you click on save, you will get through that window. Then copy this link and paste it on email or on the web on the apps, social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, for example, for your students, and that's how you can schedule a meeting or teaching a meeting. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and see you next video.